Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So this week's video is kind of like a fun video. As you guys know, we're all like staying home, social distancing and quarantine, and I wanted to do like a different type of video, different from like the vlog, because there's so much I can do and I can share. I literally do the same thing every single day, so that wouldn't be interesting. One of the things I've been obsessed with lately is TikTok, which I recently joined. So if you guys are not following me, I'm going to leave it somewhere here so you guys can go add me up. I've been seeing a lot of recipes on TikTok and I decided why not try a couple of them I've seen. So in this video, I will be trying out 3 different recipes. There's a famous coffee recipe. There's a famous like ramen noodles, thingy-majiggy, and then there is the souffle pancakes, which looks so good every time I see those TikToks. And I was like, why not try them out for myself? So before much ado, I hope you guys enjoy this video. Subscribe to join the family. I'd really appreciate it. But yeah, let's get started. So basically, we are doing the coffee challenge. The coffee. It's a coffee challenge. It's not a challenge though, because it's not something hard. Everyone can do it. But it's not a challenge. It's like a recipe everyone is cooking. Anyway, we're doing the famous coffee recipe from TikTok. Me and my sister. I tried it yesterday and it turned out pretty good actually. So we want to do it again, but this time Sumai is the one who's making it. You want to talk about the ingredients?
No.
So just explain. You had 15 seconds of fame. Go.
Anyway, they have coffee.
What type of coffee?
We have
Instant coffee.
instant coffee.
That's good. Nescafe.
Cafe pele.
Cafe pele.
And sugar. And the bowl. The spoon. And the hand mixer.
And
some hot water.
to mix in there. Okay. And these are our glasses that we're going to use. I'm just trying to kuanzisha cooking channel.
Walai. Shukri.
So now that we
How many
have
teaspoons of water? Same amount.
just same amount, so 2. 1, 2, but you can add a little bit more if you don't, so just to allow the sugar to dissolve. But yeah, now we're in the sugar mode. By the way, my sister's making a TikTok as we speak right now. What has this life brought us to? The fun part. So that's the finished product. Supposed to be very whipped and very fluffy. Do you want to show them with like a spoon what it looks like? Yeah, it's okay.
Super decent. Snake and then flakes.
I found the instant coffee.
Top up the ice.
I did. Actually, you want to figure out. Keep going. That is the cream.
It's so stiff.
Okay, wait, let me help you. Aesthetics. There you go. I'll use that to mix my coffee.
Huh?
You're supposed to have a lot of coffee, relax. The final part. Avi, we're gonna use reusable straws because we're saving the turtles. Taste test. I added sugar syrup afterwards and it tastes pretty good. I actually had this yesterday, so this isn't like a first impression for me, but I thought I'd record it. But that's it for recipe number 1. I'll catch you guys tomorrow for the second recipe. Today's the next day, and the recipe that I really want to make next is the ramen noodles that I've been seeing on TikTok a lot. Basically, the way I have my ramen noodles, it's just like the noodles itself, but I've seen a lot of people putting egg and putting chicken, corn and all that stuff. I've seen a video that's been going around a lot, so we're gonna go try that out. We don't have the recipes, I don't even have like the noodles itself and the other stuff, so we're headed to go get them right now in the supermarket. The products that I need is ramen noodles, corn, spring onions, boiled egg, we have those at home, and chicken, I think we have that at home, so let's go. Hot chicken flavor. Oh, these are the ones that I tried. Mendida. Bro, these things are hot, bro.
Shukri. They're samyang, you see?
Yeah, this shit is hot. Guys, okay. Quick disclaimer. These are the ones I used for the noodle challenge, and you can find it at Chandrana. So, I have the noodles here. Eggs, corn, and the chicken is currently thawing, so we're just gonna start boiling these first of all. This is a quick way to make corn cook, so I just put this in the microwave. So basically, the corn is ready. I just have the noodles, which I will boil after everything. All my ingredients are ready. Like I mentioned, the ingredients needed spring onions, corn, boiled egg, chicken, and the noodles themselves. So hopefully this turned out well. This is the boiled egg in here boiling right now. I just decided to do 2, so I might just choose one and eat one like later. So I'm gonna chop this up in 3 and 2. Boom. So we have that ready. Next, this. Yes. So up next we have the chicken, which is here. Let's saute. I have my olive oil heating in there. Let's go. Time to plate. One minute. Nakwambia ikibako nakwambia na flash. So we're gonna do a taste test because I just ran away from the kitchen because everyone's there and I come back in my room. But this is what it turned out. I'm gonna insert photos. Bro, this is 10/10. I never understood why I never did like my noodles in this way. This is actually pretty good. I would do this again. I actually made servings of 2, so I think I'm gonna make this again for tomorrow for lunch because I really like the way it tastes. It just like spices up your everyday Indomie. I actually wanted to get a different type of noodle that I usually get that is really nice, but I couldn't find it at the supermarket today, so I just decided to go with Indomie because I do like Indomie at the end of the day. This is really good actually. I'm super happy. So that's 2 recipes down and 1 to go, and I think I'm gonna do the next one tomorrow morning. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Bye. Hey guys, so today is Friday and I wanted to wrap up this TikTok food challenge by doing the last recipe. So the final recipe is the souffle pancake. It's like it's not like, it is a Japanese style pancakes. So bright. Wow. I'll catch you guys once I get to the supermarket. So what we need for the recipe is a flour. This is all-purpose flour, which is like just a little bit above 3/4, some buttermilk. I didn't have I didn't have buttermilk, so what I did is I mixed like regular milk and some vinegar to create a buttermilk, which is like lala, to be honest, mazwa lala, 2 eggs. We're gonna separate the whites and the yolks. Baking powder. These were a big fail. They're not as fluffy as I expect them to be, like souffle pancakes, but they're not as fluffy as I expect them to be. But they're okay. They're like regular pancakes, but they're not souffle pancakes. So we go again tomorrow. Hey guys, so today is the next day. I'm gonna talk about how much the pancakes were a fail. The pancakes that I was expecting were these ones, and the ones that I got were these ones. Obviously they were completely two different things. They were tasty regardless. Tasted good, turned out well, but they weren't as fluffy as I thought they'd be. So those pancakes were a fail, but not a fail at the same time. That makes sense. But yeah, I had so much fun creating these recipes. It was such like a freestyle laid back video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was so fun having my sisters in the kitchen with me and just having a good time, you know. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm gonna leave the recipes down below so you guys can or like a link to a video of the one I watched down below so you guys can check it out if you guys want to try the recipes yourself. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching it. I'd really appreciate it if you subscribed down below, and I will see you guys. My scarf keeps. See you guys in my next video. Bye guys. I wanna drown myself inside the